This is
okay.
this is a play plastic or ABS.
It's for both, for ABS and also for PLA. So it works for both materials. This is ABS.
Very nice textures.
Yeah, the usual texture that you have when you print in 3D is this one. But with this machine, you can smooth the surface and obtain this very flat, very smooth finiture. And also, it reinforces the structure of the 3D print object, and also avoid the water go inside.
Very
So
interesting.
it become not permeable.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
Yes, yes. Yes. With, we use